What's going on, everybody? It's Sean here, and if you're watching this today, it should be April 27th. And more importantly, this means that today is my wedding day. So today's video is extra special because I'm going to be reviewing the Nike IDs that I created for not only myself, but all my groomsmen. If you're wondering why the nickname of this shoe is called Carmen Takes the Go, well, that's the hashtag that we're using for our wedding. And in terms of color scheme, as you probably could guess, navy and gold are our main colors. So no, I'm not going to be wearing this during the ceremony. I do prefer to keep it a little bit more classy, but I do plan to wear these at the end of the night when the dance floor opens. So once again, I created this through Nike ID a few months back, and I opted for the Air Max 1 not only because it's one of my favorite silhouettes in Nike's entire lineup, but also I felt like this shoe could be worn a little bit more dressed up compared to other silhouettes like the Air Force 1. So jumping straight into the shoe, the base layer of the sneaker is constructed using this very vibrant and very bold blue colored nylon. Wrapping around the outer edge of the toe box, we have this navy blue suede. And then as we move downwards towards the quarter panel and midfoot of the shoe, we have more of this navy blue suede, along with this metallic gold swoosh that has this bit of this texturized effect to it. Wrapping around the back heel, we have more of that navy blue suede, and then stitched on the back, we have not only the Nike logo, but on my pair I replaced the traditional Air branding, and in its place I have the words "The Groom." I customized this specially as well for the best man, so on his pair it says best man, and then for the rest of my groomsmen it says groomsman. In terms of laces, so these come with navy blue colored flat laces, and then underneath this we have a nylon tongue along with this Nike Air Max tag at the very top. So the upper of these Air Max 1s sits atop this sail colored midsole. Underneath the heel we have this cutaway that exposes the silver Nike Air Sole unit that's found within the shoe. And then flipping these over to the bottom, so this is finished off with a touch of class with this gum rubber outsole. So sizing wise, despite being a Nike ID creation, these Air Max 1s pretty much fit identical to all my other Air Max 1s. So for my case, I got these in a size 10.5, which is a half size up from my true size. Other people do go true to size for the Air Max 1, so it really depends on how you prefer your shoes to fit and the shape of your foot. So now let me lace up my wedding day Air Max 1s and I'll show you guys how these guys look on feet. So depending on what time you're watching this, either I'm already married, probably on the dance floor at some point, or it could even be the morning after. Regardless though, I did want to share with you this special shoe that I created for one of the most important moments in my life. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about my wedding day Air Max 1s nicknamed Carmen Takes the Go. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter account at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, thank you for joining me on this incredible journey, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.